calcium carbide slag can replace limestone to make cement, to produce quicklime as calcium carbide raw material, to produce chemical products, to produce building materials, and to treat the environment. The calcium carbide slag can be used as a deoxidizing agent after being pressed into pellets by the calcium carbide slag press, which not only protects the environment, but also saves the calcium carbide slag resources. Carbide slag ball press after years of industrial use and improvement. Compared with other similar products, calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine has the advantages of high ball rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. In order to meet the requirements of material forming, the pressure screw adopts electromagnetic speed regulating motor. Speed regulating mode is manually controlled, pressing material through the screening machine. Sieve qualified pellets are packaging. Sieve feeding can be returned to the warehouse, and new materials mixed and then pressed.